Hey everyone, welcome back to TechVisio. Does your Windows 11 laptop or PC take forever to start? Staring at the loading screen can be incredibly frustrating. In today's video, I will show you step-by-step methods to fix slow boot time in Windows 11. These are simple, safe and beginner-friendly techniques that can dramatically improve your startup speed. Let's fix your slow PC right now. Step 1. Disable startup programs. One of the most common reasons for slow boot is too many startup applications. Here's how to fix it. Open Run and type taskmgr to open Task Manager. Now click the Startup Apps tab. Now look at the Startup Impact column. Disable programs you don't absolutely need when your computer starts. For example, game launchers, chat apps, updates, heavy utilities. This single step alone can significantly reduce boot time. Step 2. Enable Fast Startup. Windows has a built-in feature called Fast Startup, and many users don't even know about it. Here is how to enable it. Open Control Panel. Go to Power Options. Click Choose what the power buttons do. Select Change settings that are currently unavailable. Now enable Turn on Fast Startup. This helps Windows load faster by saving system state. Step 4. Clean up disk space. A nearly full drive slows everything, including boot time. To fix this, go to Settings, System, Storage. Now delete temporary files, junk files, recycle bin contents. Try to keep at least 50 to 20% free storage space. Step 5. Check for Windows updates. Outdated systems often run inefficiently. Go to Settings, Windows Updates, install all pending updates. Updates frequently include performance improvements, driver optimizations, bug fixes. Step 6. Disable visual effects. This is actually great for older PCs. If your PC has modest specs, this trick works wonders. Search for Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows, and then select Adjust for best performance. This disables animations and effects that slow down system loading. Step 7. Scan for malware. Malware can severely impact startup performance. Run a full system scan using Windows Security or your antivirus. A clean system boots faster. Step 8. Optimize drive health. If you are using an HDD, search the fragments and then optimize your drive. If you are using an SSD, Windows handles this automatically, but make sure it's healthy. Step 9. Hardware upgrade. This is the ultimate fix. If your PC is still slow to boot, this is the most powerful solution. Upgrade from hard disk drive to solid state drive. This can reduce boot time from minutes to seconds. If possible, add more RAM for smoother performance. Now let's come to bonus pro tips. These are quick extra improvements. Restart your PC regularly. Avoid installing unnecessary softwares. Keep drivers updated. And limit heavy antivirus programs. And that's it. Follow the steps and your Windows 11 startup should be noticeably faster. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe to TechVisio and comment below how much your boot time improved. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.